Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, it's winner night. Who is the winner of the SJRC F11 drone? So Geekbuying is giving this away to one of you lucky winners who entered the contest. You just had to answer a question and you were entered. So now let's get on to see who's the winner. Check this out. All right, it's time to pick a winner for the SJRC F11 drone. Who is going to win it? Thank you to Geekbuying for supplying this drone. Now let me show you what the time is here in Ottawa, Canada, where I am now. It is currently 6:35 p.m. on Monday, June 17th. You're watching this video on Tuesday, June 18th. One thing I want to show you is in this video, there was a question asked to win this drone. And the question was on the right of the Gold 7. Well, let me just show you what that looks like. Where is that thing? This way. Here we go. On the right of the Gold 7 are two electronic items. So over here, it says one you wear on your arm. That's got to be the watch. And the other you wear on your head. So anything referring to a watch, I don't care if you say smartwatch or some other sort of thing, but as long as it's like a watch, you'll get that. It's definitely not a Fitbit. And these are headphones. So first thing I'm going to do is, up here is the URL, copy that. All right, and I'm going to go into my YouTube comment generator, post it in there. And then over here, I'm going to say filter duplicate users and get YouTube comments. Should be close to 1,000 because it's going to take out the duplicate. So if anybody commented twice, it was 898. So I'm about to hit the start button to pick the winner. Are you on the edge of your seat? Now, let me say this. I'm going to pick 3 names. The reason I'm going to pick 3 names is because I've done this in the past. And sometimes the person who wins already has this drone and goes, well, thank you, but I don't really want that drone. Give it to somebody else. So I'm going to pick 3 names. The first name I pick is the winner, and the next 2 are the runner-ups. So let's start. Who's the first winner? As long as they have that answer, they won. So going. Come on. What's the winner? Winner PDS. Good morning. Watch headphones. Perfect. So PDS, you are the winner. Now, just in case PDS, you don't respond and let me know who you are and your address and everything, then the next people are going to be the winners. So second runner-up is, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Going through this. Your name could pop up. Stay tuned. Here we go. Next one is Jason Pattery. All right, great giveaway. It's a watch and headphones. That is correct. Pick the third one. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. And here we come up to the third person. The winner is Richard. I'm going to destroy your last name. Pogorelak. I have no idea. Watch and headphones. You are the third person, so you're the third runner-up. So the first individual, PDS, you are the winner. And then the next 2, you'll see. I'm going to explain it in a bit. Stay tuned. All right, so there's the 3 names that were selected. We have PDS, we have, I have to read this, Jason Pattery, and Richard Pogorek. Hopefully, Richard, I'm not destroying your last name. Anyways, those are the 3 names that were selected. You are number 1, and if you don't take the prize, then it goes to number 2, and if you don't take the prize, it goes to number 3. Now, all of you people listed here, all you have to do is send me an email at my account right here on below. It says CaptainDrone798 at gmail.com. You have to email me, and in the title of the email, because I get so many emails every day, I will miss your email. All you have to do is write in the title, write winner SJRC F11 contest, and I'll look for that email and find it. And then to make sure it's really you who I'm talking to, I'm going to do something special that will allow me to figure out that you are the person I'm talking to. And I will also check to make sure you are a subscriber to my channel. So if any of you that entered are not subscribers to the channel, you better subscribe, because I have to check the subscribers list to make sure you're on it, because that was part of the deal for this contest. You 3 potential winners, you have to send me an email by the date shown below. I can't tell you the date because I don't know it. I don't have a calendar, so I'm just going to write it below this video as it gets published. Send me an email by that date. So let's say, just as an example, let's say PDS doesn't send me an email by the date. Well, then this person here, Jason, it's backwards. Jason, you will be the winner. And if Jason, you don't send me an email by that date, well, then it goes over here to Richard. So all 3 of you, send me an email. You can do it right now. Send me an email by this date down here. By this date, no later than this date. All right. Congrats to everybody who participated. It was so close, you know, you could have won. There is a contest tomorrow, so you can probably win in that one if you didn't win in this one. And then there's another contest coming up next week that you can win. And all throughout the summer, I'll be giving away stuff. So there's many more contests. And, well, PDS, hope you enjoy your drone. If you do contact me, this is all yours. Oh, and just in case, as the drone goes flying here, just in case I didn't mention it already, if Geekbuying cannot send this here drone to you, a brand new one, because you're not in their shipping location, then unfortunately, you cannot win the drone because I can't send you this one. If Geekbuying can't send you one, I can't send you one. So we'll come up with another solution and it will just pass down to the next person who is one of the runner-ups. But for now, I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to the contest winners tomorrow and give this video a thumbs up and good luck for tomorrow.